Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You begin by opening the Instagram app or website and signing in. This must be your active account. Once signed in, go straight to your profile, tap the menu, choose Settings, then Security, and select Password. Do this now so you can change credentials immediately. Make sure you have your current password and a planned new password. This step prevents lockouts and ensures the account remains secure while you proceed to the actual change. You'll now enter your current password to confirm ownership, then type your new password twice to confirm. Choose a password of at least 12 characters with mixed case letters, numbers, and symbols because stronger passwords resist guessing and breaches. Once done, save the new entry in your password manager and avoid using recycled passwords from other services. This prevents cross-site compromise. If the app flags weak choices, adjust immediately. Instagram enforces basic strength, so make it unique and memorable via a manager. After entering and confirming the new password, tap Save or Submit and follow any verification prompts. Once saved, make sure to update the password in your password manager and in any apps that use Instagram credentials. You should also log out other devices for safety. Test a fresh login to confirm it worked. If you can't complete verification or forgot the current password, use the Forgot Password option to reset via your email, phone, or username. This is the most reliable troubleshooting route.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.